Hello?
Hello, sino to?
Si Ravan to.
Oh, Ravan, napatawag ka.
Kailangan niyo pumunta rito sa India.
Aba, di ba, istorbo yun? Bagong kasal ka.
Masyado kayo maraming drama. Kailangan kayo pumunta rito ngayon na. Gawin niyo ang trabaho niyo.
Oh, sige, huwag kang mag-alala, darating kami.
Mag-drive to babaeng to. Kasing babae to. Alam ka tapos ang
Ito.
Ano to? Pandit! Bastos! Oh, ano ba? Wow, okay yun ah.
Yung mga biling ko sa'yo, ha?
Ang ganda, ha? Ang ganda ng movie.
O, sige na. Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Brother! Yoshi, brother!
Oh, ito pa, brother. May pasalubong kami sa'yo. Sigurado maugustuhan mo to.
Yes,
Ay,
tama.
pambigyan
Okay yan.
nito.
Oh, ito pa. Shot, shot.
Class yan, brother.
Masarap yan, Brad. Imported yan.
Brother.
Brother?
Ano kaya nangyari dun?
Alamin niyong lahat na wala akong alam na kahit nakatiting sa Islam. Kailangan ko ng tulong ninyo. Kaya paghanda na kayo, naturuan ako maging isang tunay na Muslim. Sabihin lang niyo. أشهد أن
Who is that?
Aborso.
And now for our Muslim prayer to be led by Ravan.
It's okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi alamin arrahmanirrahim maliki yaumiddin iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
That's a good surprise.
Congratulations, madam. It's unbelievable. Nobody expected that you can change Ravan.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are you talking about? Ravan and all of you are outsiders.
No, Ravan is not an outsider. He was born here in India.
रवान यहाँ पे अलीपुर में बड़ा हुआ है.
जैसे तू इंडियन है, वैसे वो भी है.
Who are you to speak? You do not have the right.
वो 35 साल से रजा फैमिली के साथ है, लिहाजा इनका अधिकार सबसे ज्यादा है.
You're still very young, Samir. I know Ravan was born and stayed here for 10 years. But still, he is a foreigner to our culture and traditions.
Being a foreigner has no relation with what Ravan wants to do for Muslims and non-Muslims.
मेरे पास ऐसे कोई अल्पत नहीं कि मैंने दिल के गहराइयों से स्कूल का शुक्रिया अदा करने, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मेरे हिंदू मजहब के लिए आजादी है.
मैं तो सिर्फ मेरे उस्ताद की मानती हूँ.
The Muslim workers, they will not work because you married a Christian girl.
Oh, Mauli Sahib, that's not true. As a Muslim, I know that we can marry a Christian woman, belong to the people of the book, Ahlul Kitab. Even the Prophet, he married a Christian woman.